Hey, welcome back to the channel. New subscribers, always welcome. Old subscribers, you're here because you can't help it. Oh, no. Anyway, you never know what you're going to find here. It's, uh, it's just me in the bunker, doing my own thing, right? I'm what you call a minimalist, but I use 21st century technology, dude. Nice. Sometimes we cook some good stuff, sometimes bad stuff. So say it with me. Let's go to the lab and maybe cook up something that's not terrible. Now, here on the bench, we have our favorite cooking wok, 9 inch or so. And we're going to use a little bit of lard to start this meal. I wanted something really smoking hot, so let's do some potatoes. How's that? Right, and these are those russet. Can't really do a whole lot of things with russets. Make mashed potatoes out of them, supposedly. I don't know. But here we go, a little side view. Not too bad. This is a steaming hot. Boy, I want some taters. How's that? Right. Getting a little bit of color there, as you can see. Nothing drastic yet. Very nice. Throw a little salt on there, right? I don't know when you're supposed to do that stuff or not. I do it when I want it. Look how hot that is. It's like screaming hot. I didn't want any problems with this. I was just had a good hankering for some potatoes and oh, nice. Very nice. Yes, this meal is brought to you by the Red Spatula today. Very nice. Oh, looking really yummy, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. Some people say my food makes them hungry. Well, if you watch it at midnight, it does. Look at that skill. Look at that skill, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and he hit it with some egg right away. Just no warning, just pow. So what are we going to do? This is starting out to be a frittata. No. We're going to scramble it around a little bit. Very nice. Very nice. Notice no stickage. No stickage. Check this out. A little overhead now. Yeah, that steam really interrupts the view of the camera. You know what I mean? But not too bad. It's fine. Look at that. And why do I use lard? Because I think it's more better. Now, what I do use, yes, it's processed lard in a way because I buy it from the store, not from my bacon grease can. But I don't entertain bacon that much, or my sausage doesn't really drain off enough to keep. I suppose if I had to, I would. But oh, look at this! Wow, nice, very nice. Cooking is not that hard if you just take your time and have a couple basic ideas, and you can survive your food and whatever. Tell you what, let's check this out. There's the egg. Ooh, now we're gonna look at some technique here. Some people will take and pull the yolk in to cook it. Some people are pushers. I want to hold everything to be covered with egg. I don't want any. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Get me talking. Look at this. Very nice. Okay, hang on. That's what happens when I get talking. Let's take a look around the park here. Look at that. Delicious. Hey, would you eat that? Right? Nice. Very nice. Let's have another quick look here. A little bit of fancy tomato on top. Very lovely. Very nice. Check it out. Very good. Potato and egg with a tomato garnish. What do you think about that, huh? Huh? Thanks for popping in. I guess the meal wasn't terrible. It was fine. Delicious, delicious. Anyway, I'm out of here.